Let's show you what's going on outside. Still some patchy marine layer clouds working their way out of here. Mostly along our coast. There is some sunshine downtown, but those clouds kind of lingering. It's kind of hazy still. Rancho Penasquitos, lots of sunshine, the story for most of our inland neighborhoods. And along our coast, because those clouds are still with us for some spots, it's in the 60s in Oceanside, Carlsbad, also La Jolla. 70 degrees downtown, 70s for our inland neighborhoods. Ramona, very comfortable, 78 degrees right now. And temperatures are up a few degrees here and there and down a few degrees here or there. By the afternoon, we're all going to be coming up a few degrees compared to yesterday. We just kind of started off on a cooler note. A lot of 50s out there this morning because those marine layer clouds actually formed early this morning instead of overnight last night, kind of lacking our blanket of marine layer clouds. High pressure is still in control, and it is bringing in that monsoon moisture. Not as muggy in the mountains and deserts today as it was yesterday, but still definitely present. Could see some clouds building this afternoon, but unfortunately they are not going to be producing any rain. Tomorrow is Aztecs taking on the Eastern Michigan Eagles at 7:30. Temperatures will be about 70 degrees at Mission Valley and then dip down to the 60s into the overnight hours. Should be a great game. Go Aztecs. Temperatures along our coast are going to be in the 70s through the extended, though tomorrow they do come up a few degrees. Tomorrow is going to be warmer than today. Ironically, it is the first day of fall, even though fall doesn't begin until 6:54 p.m. Most of tomorrow is still going to be summer. We'll be near 90 degrees Saturday for our inland neighborhoods and then mid-80s Sunday into early next week. The mountains will be in the 80s this weekend and 100s sticking around in the deserts. Guys?
Well, thank you.